Hello everyone. This company EVILTO sent me this garden hose adapter. It's actually somewhat useful as I needed one, and they just happened to randomly email me and send me this at the same time as I needed one. I've been using this for about 2 weeks to wash out for my boat, to clean various things in the driveway, and it's been working great. Overall, it's a pretty standard garden hose outside of the soap container. It has multiple different modes. So we have shower, mist, cone, rinse, stream, flat, center, jet, shower. All pretty standard, and they all work pretty much as you would expect. No complaints. It doesn't really leak or anything like that. The button, as with some of these, it stays closed. You don't have to hold it down while you're washing things. I like that as well. Also has the soap container, which holds 3.5 ounces of essentially any cleaning material you want to put in here. In my experience, it takes about 3 to 5 minutes of spraying for this to kind of fully empty out as it comes out with the spray. To turn the container on or off, you just flip the switch. And overall, it works quite good. It's easy to remove. No complaints. As I said, most of the time I used it just as a standard hose to rinse things down, but I did use the soap twice and it worked well. It also comes with this garden hose adapter. I didn't need that. I'm showing it comes with it. And it comes with this glove, which is kind of meant more for washing your car or wiping something down. I haven't really used this. Actually, I just used it to wipe down the table before this video. But outside of that, I'm just going to show a couple of videos of this in action. But I think this is a decent device. My only real complaint would be is that it's plastic. But I mean, it's $17 and you're not going to get something like this made out of metal or anything that's going to be good, or at least I don't think so. So this is, if you have kids, you don't want them really using this because as soon as this drops on the pavement, it's a good chance it will break pretty easily. It's kind of one of those garden hose adapters that once you're done using it, you want to unscrew it and put it down somewhere where it won't get, smashed or anything like that. So just take care when using it. I really don't think it'll go bad for any reason, but clearly, it's made of plastic. So if you smash this thing against something accidentally, or you're moving the hose or anything like that, it will break. So yeah, I've been happy with this. If you're looking for something cheap, $17 garden hose adapter, nothing wrong with this. And check out some of the videos of it shooting out water. Other than that, no complaints. Recommended. Shower mode. Mist. Cone. Rinse. Stream. Flat. Center. Jet. And shower again. You can see if you turn this knob, the water now starts passing through the container where the soap goes. I'm going to put a little soap in there just to quickly test it out and show you. But pretty much works as intended. The water just passes through, picks up the soap, and shoots it out the nozzle. Alright, so I just put a little bit of soap in here. Just a little bit to test it out. As you can see, it's bubbling up over there. And the 2 times I've used it so far, like I said in the earlier part of the video, it takes about 3 to 5 minutes for this entire full container to become water. I think it's a pretty good balance. It really doesn't pick up all the soap right away. It just kind of goes through it at a steady rate.